Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen Qualcomm. This is our latest unit. It's Qualcomm. We did it in E-Class convertible 2014, and we are doing the Apple CarPlay. So it's fully touch screen. You can use the touch, navigate through Apple CarPlay, use Waze, or you can play Spotify with the artwork. And also we can go back to the main menu. This is the main menu for the Qualcomm unit with the Qualcomm processor. The unit is flawless. You can go to NTG mode, backup camera. If the car comes with sensors, it activates the sensors too. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines, so by turning the steering wheel, dynamic guideline works too. By going back to park or going back to drive, it goes back to the main menu. By touching the screen, we can go to the aftermarket mode. Apps, they're really easy access at the bottom of the screen. You can download any apps you like from Play Store. The unit comes with built-in wireless CarPlay or wired Android Auto. And also we can add our dash cam. This is the dash for the RPM and the speed with 3 modes: comfort, eco, or sport, which is a really cool function to have. And setting are there. As I said, we can add dash cam to it, file browser, that's phone link for mirroring phone. NTG menu takes you back to the NTG mode. Bluetooth, you can use either the factory Bluetooth or our Bluetooth. Music and video, so you can play videos through the screen too, even when you go to drive. If you're interested to get these type of units, these are the latest Android 10.25-inch screen with 1920 resolution from iNav, and they're Qualcomm. You can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you with your favorite unit. Thank you and have a great day.